3 in Hong Kong. Looking at our looks, you must know where we're heading to. These girls are so crazy, so excited about Disneyland. Yes. Breakfast के लिए भी mini ears पहन के जा रहे हैं. I have. Okay. We're done with the breakfast, going to Disneyland. And I got my this mini mango. This छोटा mango, which I couldn't eat. I took it in the plate, but बहुत खा लिया.
किसकी बात कर रहे हो?
This is our 5th trip to Disneyland and we were missing Papa because this is the very first time he's not there with us. आज हम क्या करेंगे पता नहीं.
We're going to Disneyland.
Yay!
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go. We all were so crazy. We did not press the ground button and we were in the lift for more than 3 minutes. It's time for Disneyland! It was a very comfortable ride. It took about 45 minutes for us to reach Disneyland. If it's gonna be your first time, then watch this. Guys, if you're traveling to Disneyland for the very first time, you need to remember you have to download their app. Disneyland, Tokyo, Paris, Hong Kong, they all have their own application. You can also get your passes at Klook, but trust me, if you get this app, you'll get lots of discounts and deals, so you need to at least check it once. A lot of people have also asked me questions, if you're getting the premier access, do you still need the entry pass? The answer is yes, you need to get at least 1 day entry pass or a 2 day entry pass in order to enter the park. You also have the Disney map in the same application. If you want to cover the park in 1 day, you have to remember there are attractions and rides. The Premier Access Pass that you buy for 8 attraction, 5 attraction or 3 attraction are for the adventures and not for the rides. So it's pretty easy with this app. If you want to do a ride which has more than 60 or 90 minutes waiting time, just get one ride pass from this app and skip the line. You just have to search for the name of the ride. You add the number of tickets you want, as many people you are, add to the basket and pay. It's that pretty easy. This way you can do your Disneyland in 1 day. Disney! We almost reached and we used the octopus card to pay for the taxi. Finally, it was time to immerse ourselves in the magic of Disney. You can see for yourself there was not much crowd. We're finally here at Disneyland and I cannot keep calm. I'm so excited! It was hot that day, even though the temperature was 24-25, but it was sunny and humid. Humidity was making it worse, but anyway, the girls were smiling and they were very excited. भाई गर्मी है, बहुत गर्मी है. Yeah, you're looking cool. In Hong Kong, you can expect anything from the weather. It could be sunny, it could be rainy, कभी भी thunderstorm शुरू हो जाता है. I could see people using their umbrellas and Kiara was using her fan because literally it was pretty hot. To enter the park, it's almost 1.5 kilometers from the taxi stand. So remember, you gotta walk a lot. Much before the rides and the attraction, there is a long street where you have Disney stores. You get Disney merch, souvenirs, accessories, toys for kids and lot more cute stuff. Kiara and I are a huge fan of Disney. This was our 5th time and we have a huge trunk of collectibles. We have 13 mini ears, but we decided to get one more as a Hong Kong Disneyland souvenir. Oh my god, this is so cute. Lotso. I don't like Lotso, but blue में कुछ है. We wanted mini ears in powder blue and we actually found one.
Oh, my little buddy.
चलो, let's go.
Let's go.
Cute है, देख इसके यहाँ जो बैठ गया.
Oh wow.
Next up was the store Duffy and his friends. If you all do not know, Duffy was Mickey Mouse's bear. अंकिता और मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था. हमने वहाँ रिसर्च किया and we got to know the kids were getting crazy for this character. कौन है?
ये बहुत cute है, छोटू सा भी है, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है। हमें matches नहीं मम्मा।
Last time in Disneyland, Kiara went crazy for Lina Bell.
ये
This
देख
time
bottle
it
Lina
was
Bell
Cookie
की।
Ann.
You can teach her.
Samira found a very cute watch with a bracelet and she couldn't wait to unbox it, so she did it there only. We headed out and we could see the castle just in front of us.
The weather is very humid. गर्मी में मर रहे हैं पर एक्साइटमेंट कम नहीं हो रही है।
Yeah.
हम पूरा दिन यहाँ स्टे करने वाले हैं। सनी भी है, थोड़ा क्लाउडी ज़्यादा है। होपफुली बारिश आए पर ना आए तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है।
हाँ।
I see the castle behind. Yeah, there it is. We are having so much fun.
Already.
ऑफ सीजन में डिज्नीलैंड घूमने का मज़ा बस ये था कि क्राउड नहीं था, इजीली फोटोज क्लिक हो रही थी और राइड्स में इतनी वेटिंग नहीं थी. We decided to do the Adventureland before the rides because we had taken the premier access for all the adventures. सबसे पहले हम गए Tomorrowland. It was a water boat ride and because we had the premier access we did not have to stand in the queue.
Face the fear. ठीक है, today we are facing the fear.
Tweety वाला है।
No, ये volcano. Are you excited?
Volcano में तो I didn't even breathe. I couldn't breathe.
Kiara was continuously convincing herself that this ride is not gonna be thrilling. Just look at her praying.
It is. Kiara, how is the experience? Samira? Not dangerous, right?
What is a stitch ride? Mama, what is a stitch ride?
Yeah. It was fabulous.
Scary.
Ankita and Kiara were exactly same. They are not fond of rides at all. Next we went to Iron Man. There was just one drop but इनको पूरा समझना था कि वो drop कितना भयंकर है.
Yeah. कुछ नहीं होता है, डरते नहीं है बिल्कुल भी.
बहुत ही मुश्किल से कन्विंस करके इन दोनों को अंदर लेके गए.
Tony Stark, and I'm ready to save the world again.
So nice.
Mama, I think it'll be like the Harry Potter one we did in Universal Studios. We're gonna wear that thing and then
Yeah, I think.
that.
You didn't take for mama.
Oh, sorry.
You are cleared for takeoff.
You lose some weight there, buddy.
唔該曬史達先生，飛行穩定器恢復。
Get the arc reactor. Okay, fire!
我發現咗佢嘅弱點。
Easy for anyone to do it. Anyone to do it. अब जो हमें दूसरा जाना है वो ऐसे ही होगा।
हाँ, वो एडवेंचर है बेटा,
फिर एडवेंचर्स कैसे होते हैं?
जैसे शो टाइप्स.
तो शो का
आइसक्रीम. यूज द पत्ता एज अ प्लेट. अरे बाप रे.
Next up was the Festival of the Lion King. This was the star show of Hong Kong Disneyland.
यही फायदा है प्रायोरिटी पास का कि you can skip 1000 people and can just go in easily.
It was way too humid. It was a huge auditorium. We got settled and we got the seats in the front. We actually didn't have to wait. We waited only for 5 minutes outside and the people with the normal passes were waiting for hours.
वो तो hours के लिए wait कर रहे थे ना। हमारे स्कूल से भी ज़्यादा लग रहा है। मेरे स्कूल में 900 kids है, इससे तो ज़्यादा है। At
क्या चश्मा लगा दिया?
या फिर मेरे को डांस या जो भी करेंगे मेरे को लगाना पड़ेगा।
They literally showed us the whole Lion King movie.
How was it?
It was so good.
मजे आए ना? It was so beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, the last one was for Ankita and Kiara. This was the time for thrill.
I'm just saying it looks so scary.
This was Grizzly Gulch, the only outdoor roller coaster
चल, Sumaira.
in Disneyland.
यहाँ पे तो अपन दोनों चलेंगे. Are we
Yeah,
scared?
I'm a little.
A little scared.
Even though I'm not.
But now we cannot back out. Now we can, because we are here. We are going in the next one. We are killing it. अब नीचे जाने वाले. नीचे जाने वाले. It was mind blowing. We loved it. Loved it. We are gonna do it again. We have 2 more passes. We are doing it again. We are gonna sit in the front. Number 1. What fun,
I
man.
love vegan one. Auntie, do not
We are in the front. चलो आगे चलो. Go, go, go. This girl ditches us every time. Last में हमें ditch करती है. Okay, the
In search of rare and precious artifacts for you to enjoy.
The next one was Toy Story Stinky Dog.
there are no good options to eat here. हम तरस गए हैं. क्या बेटा? पता नहीं बेटा, वो कह रहे हैं कि इसमें सब है, छोड़ ये वाला नहीं खाएंगे. कह रहे हैं यहाँ पे हमें कोई वो पॉपकॉर्न बॉक्स भी नहीं मिला यार. देखती हूँ, चलते जाओ.
Kiara wanted to change and we forgot our t-shirt at hotel. Finally, we found one which matched with her shorts.
पर ये मैच हो गई सही.
Next up was Kiara's favorite, Frozen. And there you see the possessive mama. If you ever go to Tokyo Disneyland, you will never witness this less crowd even in the off season. This was the easiest ride of all. Even the tiny kids could do it.
रो के थोड़ी ना करना होता है.
Riding Frozen themed rides brought back the sweetest memory of Kiara and me being the biggest fans of Elsa and Anna. Some childhood favorites truly stay with you forever. And here are the smiling faces. Sun was about to set and Elsa's castle was looking so mesmerizing. Some views are simply too magical to put to words.
This was my 5th time in Disneyland and Kiara's 4th time. Hong Kong में हम पहली बार ही आए थे, but इस मौसम में तो हमेशा अवॉइड करो. Do not come, never come इतनी ह्यूमिडिटी में. ये पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि डिज्नीलैंड में हम आए और हमने मिनी ईयर्स नहीं लगा रखे हैं. अदरवाइज हम दोनों उतारते ही नहीं है मिनी ईयर्स, बल्कि हम अलग अलग हेडबैंड्स लेके पूरे दिन चेंज करते रहते हैं. हमारे पास इतने सारे, मतलब हम ऐसे सोविनियर उनको रखते हैं. आई हैव कलेक्टेड लॉट. आई थिंक वी हैव 13 ऑफ देम और आज हमने एक और लिया, 14 हो गए. बट दिस इज़ द ओनली प्लेस जहाँ ऐसा लग रहा है कि फायरवर्क्स तक रुकने की हिम्मत ही नहीं है. एंड द रीज़न फॉर दैट इज़ यहाँ वेजिटेरियन कुछ भी नहीं है. हमें सिर्फ फ्रेंच फ्राइज़ मिले, वो भी कहाँ, एक जगह सिर्फ वाटरमेलन जूस मिला. पीने के लिए भी कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ नॉन वेजिटेरियन. अगर आप वेजिटेरियन हो तो प्लीज़ कुछ अपने लिए खाने पीने का स्नैक्स कैरी कर लो. यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है, नथिंग. तो आई थिंक हम लोग यही सोच रहे हैं कि निकल जाएं और फायरवर्क्स को हम स्किप करें, बिकॉज हिम्मत तो नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, है ना. लुक एट हर. दिस इज़ फर्स्ट टाइम एवर कि हमारी हालत ऐसी हुई है डिज्नीलैंड में. इतना बुरा हाल हो गया कि क्यारा को कपड़े चेंज करने पड़े हैं. ऐसा लग रहा है नाइट सूट में बैठी.
The lights were on, the street was looking so pretty. We were moving towards the exit. स्टोर्स को देख के क्यारा में थोड़ी सी जान आई, उसने सोचा कुछ सामान तो बटोर ही लेती हूँ।
एंड क्यारा एज यूजुअल बटोरने में लगी हुई है। क्यारा ने क्या क्या लिया? एंड डोंट फॉरगेट दिस होल बैग इज फुल ऑफ स्टफ।
And then we saw somebody holding the Starbucks coffee and we went crazy. We had to find one. It was actually hidden in one of those stores and there was no hoarding outside. It was almost time for the lightning and the fireworks show और हमें यहाँ से फटाफट बाहर निकलना था। We quickly moved out, we got our coffees and that was the last bye to Disneyland Hong Kong.